how to set the mono audio to connected audio in phone speakers on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, Edge or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Then in settings, we scroll down and tap on accessibility. Then tap on hearing enhancements. After that, scroll down and tap on mono audio. So tap on the left hand side panel and then go down and tap on connected audio and phone speakers. So select this option to turn it on. Otherwise, if you select connected audio, then only your headphones or earbuds will be set to mono audio. Here, if you select this option, your phone speakers can also be set to mono audio. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the back key or tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.